This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the Windows 10 ISO onto your phone and preparing the drive. Make sure the ISO is complete and not corrupted. Once done, install a mobile app that can write ISO images to USB. This is the tool that creates the boot sector and copies files correctly. Connect your phone to an OTG adapter and plug in the USB stick. Verify storage and format type, because FAT32 versus NTFS affects UEFI compatibility and maximum file size. You now execute the image writing step and watch why each option matters. Select the ISO inside the app, pick the correct USB target, and choose MBR for legacy BIOS or GPT for UEFI systems. This determines boot compatibility. Choose NTFS if the install WIM is over 4 GB, otherwise FAT32 is fine. Hit Write and confirm any prompts. Allow the app to complete, because interrupting will leave the drive non-bootable and may corrupt the ISO copy. You finish by testing the USB on the target PC and understanding one key recovery tip. Reboot the PC, open the boot menu or BIOS, and choose the USB device to start the installer. Make sure secure boot settings allow your media. If the PC does not boot, recreate the USB with the alternate partition scheme or file system, because mismatched UEFI/BIOS settings commonly cause failures. Also verify the ISO checksum and swap the OTG cable or USB port if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.